Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to unpair Wi-Fi in realme. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see, click on that. After that you will see many options. Scroll up and here you will see many options. You have to click on the Wi-Fi option first, and here you will see Wi-Fi which is already off. So firstly turn on Wi-Fi. After that you will see nearby Wi-Fi network. Click on that. After that here you will see our device is already connected to a Wi-Fi network. So after that you have to click on that detail icon. Here you will see, click on that. After that you will click on the remove this network option. Here you will see, click on that and remove Wi-Fi network Redmi. Yes, agree and then remove. And here you will see, in this way our devices unpair Wi-Fi in our mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.